I got another one right here. This one came off a flyer again. We're in show. Showed me the money. Team, it's important. This one's just a box spring, so it's a quick pickup in and out. Gonna be a quick 75 skins on this pickup. But it's imperative that you be patient on your flyers. Your dividends you do today will pay off tomorrow. Like I said, the dividends you do today will pay off tomorrow. Promise you that you will make money if you do these flyers. Keep pounding the flyers, keep pounding the pavement. I'll show you what I get into. It's just gonna be a box spring. I'm gonna pick it up, go, and I'm gonna be done with it. Yeah, but there's the pickup. Got it on there. Got the tie downs. Daughter had the straps from the last job, so we're gonna take this over to the dump trailer. Thanks for sticking with us, guys. Team, we're on our way to another job. It's gonna be up on top of the mountain. Not this mountain. Friends, we got some goodies in here I'm gonna show you. We got a dresser, and then we got an IKEA cabinet, and then we got a refrigerator. Took it away, easy 400 bucks. I'll let you see the spoils in the back of the... We're gonna get rid of the fridge. The fridge works unless someone wants it for free online, but if you can see back there, not bad. Easy 400 bucks. On to the next job. Team, we're on our way to another job. Be up on this mountain. Not this mountain. Next job is just box pickup, so they'll just go to recycling. For more how I get these jobs, please like and subscribe and send me messages and I'll answer your questions. I'll be happy to answer for you anytime, any day. I'll be there for you. God bless.